Hey guys, what is up? Trent here from How to Haven with a really quick tutorial. I'm just going to be showing you how to quickly exchange your our planet Aether for wax. So you just want to make sure you have some Aether first, and then you want to go to alcor.exchange. Click on this button here in Markets, and then you want to hit wax up here. Connect your wallet if you haven't. Mine's already connected. Then you can see all the things you can exchange wax for. We're going to go to Aether, and at the moment, one Aether is 0.0000445 wax, so it is like 22,500 Aether for one wax, which is a lot. This stuff's been dropping. If you think it's going to go up, maybe hold on to it. I'm just playing the game, so you can do a limit or a market trade, just like stocks. I want to get an instant trade for the sake of this video. So I'm going to do a market trade, and let's just sell like 10,000 Aether. And you go, boom, prove that. And I have 1.72 up there. Sell or replace, it's pretty much instant if you do a market trade. And you just do a quick refresh. We'll see I now have 2.14 wax. Very easy, very simple. You could also do it the other way. Yeah. If this video helped you, please leave a comment that it did. It makes me feel good. And subscribe, helps me out. Have a good one.